Guten Morgen, welcome back to Reef and Trails. In this vlog, we'll tell you what we did on our last day in Hinterzarten. The first thing we had was delicious breakfast in our hotel. We had a perfect stay in this hotel. The staff was very welcoming and helpful. Guten Morgen, and we are going to Feldberg today in this train. We still have to wear our mask, it is recommended. After a beautiful train ride, we reached Feldberg. There were many options for hiking near this train station, and we thought to explore one such place. After a few minutes of walking, we reached a field which had the 360-degree views of Feldberg. तो हम थोड़ा ऊपर तक पहुंच गए। ये एरिया यूजुअली स्नो से कवर्ड रहता है इस टाइम, दिसंबर, जैन, फेब के अराउंड यहाँ पे स्नो होती है, बट अभी नहीं है। और यहाँ के लोकल लोगों ने हमें बताया कि अगर जब स्नो होती है तो ये पूरा एरिया स्नो से कवर हो जाता है। तो अभी हम बस इसे देखते हैं, क्योंकि फ़िलहाल तो स्नो नहीं है, तो हम ऊपर जा सकते हैं। Though the temperatures were low, but we enjoyed the warm sun. This close to nature made me really enjoy each and every moment I spent there. I really loved sitting on this bench and enjoying the views in front of me. After spending calm and serene morning, we thought of indulging ourselves in some adventure. So we checked out nearby places where we could go, and we found one which was very famous. It's called Ravenna Gorge, and it was few kilometers away from our hotel. It was easy to reach there on foot, and we saw many other people doing so. There was a parking available, so in case you are coming by car, you can park it there and start your trail from here. Ravenna Gorge is 4 kilometers long, and the name is derived from the French word ravine. To describe my emotions precisely, I was awestruck by the colors of this forest, by the number of trees, and the stream flowing besides me. अभी हम रवेना गॉर्ज का ट्रैक कर रहे हैं और बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा है, क्योंकि साथ में पानी चल रहा है और यहाँ पे ट्रेल है पूरा, एंड ट्रीज़, एकदम डार्क माहौल है। थोड़ी थोड़ी लाइट तो है ही, बट अमेजिंग। मतलब मैंने ऐसा तो कभी ट्रेल किया नहीं है, दिस इज़ फर्स्ट टाइम दैट आई एम डूइंग सच ट्रेल, तो इट्स रियली अमेजिंग फॉर मी, एंड आई थिंक कोई भी जो यहाँ आ रहा है उसको ये ट्रेल ज़रूर करना चाहिए। Although it was quite a long distance, but I didn't feel tired even a tiny bit, because it was so beautiful. I felt as if I'm walking the walk of my life in this beautiful place surrounded by nature.
I would definitely do it again if given a chance. I checked few pictures of this place on Google, like how does it look during winters, and I saw that it looks divine when it is covered with snow and all the trees are covered with snow. It's magical. Although I don't know if it would have been very difficult to walk in the snow over this trail, maybe if someone has done it, you can share your experience in the comments.
बहुत ही अमेजिंग व्यू है. What a refreshing feeling it was after walking in this trail. और अभी भी कंटिन्यू है बट बहुत ही सुंदर है. आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड कि यहाँ ज़रूर आए.
यहाँ से दो रास्ते हो गए हैं, एक जा रहा है यहाँ पे, एक यहाँ पे, और हमें अभी पता नहीं है हमें जाना कहाँ है. अभी देखते हैं यहाँ पे शायद कोई साइन बोर्ड हो
या कोई बंदा आ जाए
या कोई लोग मिल जाए जो जा रहे हो.
It is said that in former times there were several water mills along this stream, and this is one of the visible water mill that we found, and it is still preserved, so it's a monument. I think these were used as the oil or flour mill in the ancient times. Along the way, we saw so many waterfalls, big and small. It gets a bit dark here with passing time. But generally, there is nothing to worry about as this trail is well maintained, and you will find many people along the way. This is an easy trail and anyone can go for it. It took us around 2 hours to complete the trail. I recommend going there during the day and take some food and beverages along with you. This trail was sort of a meditative experience for us. I think it was the perfect time to unwind ourselves as we were stepping into the new year. We heard the sound of gushing water throughout the trail, and it was really meditative. I could relate the scenery and the sound from gushing water to a meditative experience. So now I will let you enjoy the whole experience with the sound of water and the scenery. After the relaxing trail, we had a wonderful dinner at Italian restaurant with a cozy fireplace and called it a day. Next day, we went to Baden-Baden, which is another amazing city in the Black Forest region. So stay tuned and do like, share and subscribe for more videos.